why he stopped chasing you, and how to restart this spark and make him chase you again, rebuild your relationships, and make him realize that yes, I want to be with this woman. Ladies, everything starts with yourself. It's not about what you text him. It's not about what you say him. It's not about how you act around him. It's all about yourself. Also, ladies, if you're now struggling with your relationships, situationships, with certain man that you don't know what he thinks, what he feels, how to act around him, come to my coaching session. We will talk about your individual situation and I'll give you advice. You can find a link to my coaching session down below this video. So first step I want you to do is to decenter him and put your energy and all your focus back on yourself, on your own life. This is very first step. Stop checking your phone every second if he texted me, if he is not. Stop looking at his stories, at his followers, like who he followed, what he's doing on his status, online, not online. Stop stalking him. Stop looking at his page. Cut your energy from this connection and get this energy back to yourself. This is very first step, ladies. If you initiating, if you're texting, if you're still calling, if you're still trying, maybe he's shy, maybe I need to text him, maybe he forgot about me, I need to remind him about me. No, ladies, he didn't forget about you. If he's not texting you first, and if he is not initiating enough, not asking you out, not asking you to hang out, to spend some time together, it's only because he doesn't want to. It's no other reason. I want you to put it literally, like imprint it in your mind. If he doesn't act on it, he doesn't want it. If he doesn't text you, he doesn't want to talk to you. If he texts you but he's not asking you out, he doesn't want to go out with you. If he goes out with you but treat you as a casual option, it only means that he doesn't want to be exclusive and he doesn't want to commit to you. Men are so simple. Yes, men can manipulate sometimes, doing this hot and cold, disappearing, appearing again. But if men are truly interested, he's gonna reply you the same second he saw your message. And we are always on our phones, ladies. If he's replying you in 2-3 hours, do you believe that he wasn't looking at his phone for 2-3 hours? When you're on a date, how often he looks at his phone? He's probably checking it like at least once in 30 minutes. If he takes more than 30 minutes to reply, ladies, especially if he works at the job that he's able, to use his phone, this is a warning sign that this man losing interest to you, or he's not that interested. Next thing you need to do, ladies, stop obsessing over one man in your life. It's billions of men in your life. Why you stuck on someone who doesn't want you, who doesn't choose you, who doesn't even care about you? You need to switch this off and find yourself 5 new men you're talking to. Ladies, go right now on dating site or go out with your girlfriends and find yourself 5 men. So even if one of them don't text you, you're not gonna even notice. Especially if you have anxious attachment style, this is the only one thing that's gonna help you not to focus on one man too soon and stop obsessing over someone you don't really know, even over someone who's not truly choosing you. And as soon as you surround yourself with this man, what's gonna happen? First of all, importance of that one, of the one, gonna go down. He's gonna feel it. He's gonna get more interested in you. He's gonna feel the competition that he has, and men always feel it. Even if he doesn't know that you date other people, that you see other people, he's gonna feel it. Just believe me. He'll feel the energy switch, because you're gonna literally cut your energy that you've been sending to him towards yourself, and you're gonna spread it around all this men. He is gonna feel it. He's gonna wonder, what is going on? What just happened? She was there obsessing and drooling over me, but now she's not around. This is what you do, ladies. Next thing, you start living your life. You literally create yourself super busy schedule. So you're not gonna even have a time to think about him. And when you in this schedule, he feels it as well, and he becomes more interested in you. You can post it in your stories, everything you do. Sometimes it's okay to disappear for a little bit, but you post, you live your life, you post it online, and literally you feel better because you're busy. You live more interesting life. You becoming high value woman because high value women are always busy with herself, with her self-improvement, self-development. You complete online courses, you go shopping, you go to the gym, you find hobbies, you go to master classes, conferences, you go to spa, you go walk by the river. I don't care what you do, but your schedule supposed to be busy. But what you do? You cancel your plans. What if he's gonna text me? What he's gonna ask me out? What he's gonna invite me to meet him? Who cares, ladies? If he's gonna invite you to meet him when you're busy, it's not gonna make him stop wanting to see you. It's gonna do right opposite, ladies. He's gonna be, oh my God, I wanna see her even more, because we want something we can't get right away. Be less available. He's gonna see that, okay, I asked her out, she's genuinely busy, she's not playing. He starts to want to see you even more. And if he doesn't, if he disappearing after he asks you out and you say no, you know what it means? That he could care less. It only means that he wanted to have a quickie, booty call, or he just was so bored, so he decided to text you because he didn't have other options. You don't need this man in your life, ladies. After you meet this man, you're not gonna feel better about yourself. You're gonna feel bad. You're gonna suffer. You're gonna overthink even more after seeing him. But if he truly wants you, if he truly likes you, his interest will only grow if you can see him on the first call that he give you. Ladies, stop thinking about him and start thinking about yourself. Right man, he is gonna wait for you. All of you have this man in DMs or in your messengers that you ignore, but they keep texting you. And I'm not talking about crazy men. Normal, high value men do this sometimes when they truly interested in you. And this how you do this. This how you return his interest to you. When you're interested in yourself, but when you sit home bored, lonely, miserable, crying, sad, depressed, upset, he's not gonna want you, ladies. No one wants this energy in their life. So become the desirable energy yourself. Imagine you are the magnet, and your magnet field, it's your energy, it's your mood, it's how you feel, it's your self-love, it's your energy level. It's like something that you radiate into this world and attract men. Think about what you're radiating right now in this exact moment. What do you radiate? Do you radiate fun, light, and amazing energy? Or you radiate depression, sadness, misery? What do you radiate, ladies? Start working on yourself. And it's not only for him, it's also for yourself as well, because this way you express self-love. Everyone's talking about self-love, but you know what is this? It's choosing yourself first instead of choosing some random man who could care less about you. It's putting yourself as a priority. It's put yourself on a pedestal. This is self-love. And no, this is not about being selfish. This is all about being centered in yourself and in your life. Because who's gonna stay with you till the very end, ladies? It's only you. That's why you need to think about yourself first. Like this video if you enjoyed this topic. Comment what other videos you want me to film. And I'll be happy to see you in the next videos. Bye bye.